Maintenance day. This thing needs, as you hear it, it's got a dry cell, so we've got to do that. Speedometer and my wing. I'll show you a bit more right now. Right, so let me show you the issues with this thing. First thing, spoiler, this has been like this for a while. Hold on, you can't see, let me turn that light on. Can't see, just dry. So as you see, we've got screw, but here we're missing a screw. As you see, hang on, look. So we're gonna have to put a new screw in. Luckily from the other go-kart, we have the screws. So we're gonna put just a screw, we're not gonna change the spoiler, this doesn't need changing yet. The screws come in loose as well because that one's out. So that's the first thing. Second thing is, as you see here, see the flashing light? Dry cell. Also tells me on the app I got a dry cell. So in here, I'm gonna need to change the AA batteries, 6 of them. Okay. Next issue is my speedometer. As you see, it's off. When I turn it on, you see it's on. But look, in a short time, a few seconds, watch, off. So that's almost dead. So we're going to put new batteries in that, AAA batteries. Next one is my spoiler, my splitter. As in previously in this video, you had the that's that hitting, and it's got a metal bar underneath. So that we're just going to put these boxes underneath it just to level it out again. And what I want to do is put the rear plate on, but I don't know where, so that might not go on this video. I was going to give it a wash in this video, but do that off camera, because as you see, you can literally draw my name, A.J.G. Dusty everywhere, dirty, you know, seat. So I'll do that off camera probably another day, but it is a beautiful day out. Yes. Well, let's get working. Before we do anything, just get these 2 boxes. While we work, these can go underneath the splitter just to level it out. So this is what I do. Let me stand you up. Make sure you're looking good. Oh, hang on. Hold on, guys. There we go. Alright, so what we do, just put that underneath. And as you see the difference between that, it sits higher up and then it bends down. So just get both of them on both sides, and it does actually, it is effective. It does keep it up a bit better. Obviously it will go back to what it was like just a second ago, but we can always just do that again. So when I store it, I put them underneath. The green light be looking beast right now. Make sure you scan my QR code if you see me. It takes you straight to YouTube. Right, second thing, let's stop this beeping because it's really annoying. Hang on. Yes, you're staying. Right, cool. Oh god. Hang on, guys. That will have to do. Right, I do want to get more stuff for this thing. So lights at the front, which goes have a remote which I can put on my steering wheel. So just if it comes away, just trickle it underneath, like tape and stuff, and then it goes on my steering wheel, so I can just flash it, press the button and it'll flash, turn it on from the steering wheel. I want signals on it. I have seen a 4-pack which goes 2 at the front and 2 at the back, which when I'm towing, I can move the ones at the back onto the trailer. And a horn. Some of them, yeah, horn. Goes on the steering wheel, beep beep, because people don't hear me. My music, my engine, they don't hear me sometimes. So that's why a horn would be nice, it would just beep them out of the way. Or if it's dark, flash them. So both of them on the steering wheel. And then, yeah, both of them on the steering wheel. 8-pack, I'm going to be left with 2 batteries. So it's easy, because if you saw earlier, I couldn't reach the lights when I'm driving. So if it's just on my wheel, it's actually so easy. But let's try and take this off. Okay, we're back. Right, let's put these in. You can't actually see me put them in, but I am. I think I'll just keep the other two in here just in case we have to swap them over while we're on the road. Yeah, these two I'm just going to keep in there. These are my homemade Color Box PlayStation bag. Yeah, don't come on me for that, okay? I got this when I was like young and I liked PlayStation. Because, you know, that's all I heard. Xbox is better though. What do you think in the comments? Oh yeah, of course, where's the cover? Okay. Yeah, I might actually take them out. Right, let's see if that beeps. Yes! Blue light? Is it blue? Yes! It's flashing blue because I haven't connected the app or the speaker. Right, it's actually really quiet without that beeping now. Next thing is the steering wheel. Or the speedometer, sorry. Oh, now you're not staying. I'm going to put you in 0.5. Alright, cool. Right, let's do this. Oh, sorry. You know when I said it's not blue on the picture, but it is on the camera? That's because I was using 0.5. It looks a bit different. As you see, look, if I put you back in 1, see how the earth is a bit, yeah. And now it's just a bit cooler. Right, oh yeah, we've taken it off. As you see, this one, steering bar. It comes with the plate. So you swap that out for a speedometer. Okay. Oh, this is quite hard to get out. Work smarter, not harder. Okay, hang on. Oh, where am I? Okay. You know this thing's gonna look really weird without a spoiler. Oh, we have to do this again. Where's the key? Now let's see if it stays on. These are probably gonna die in like a week. I'm gonna have to do it again, but that's why we've got how many left? 6. Let's go in. Alright, cool. Now let's test it. We can test it without it being in. Oh, it's actually brighter. Yeah, that's staying on. Alright, cool. How do we turn it off? Just hold it. Oh, you just hold it down and it turns off. I haven't had to do that in a while because it just always turns off itself. Alright. Oh, it's turned back on. Right, cool. Now for the main thing. I'm just going to leave all of that there. We'll come back for later. I'm not littering. Now for the main bit. Oh, my knees so grassy. Alright, now for the main bit is this bit. Hang on. Is the spoiler. What's that I needed to do? Oh, rear plate. Yeah, that's definitely not going on. Done everything else. Apart from wash, we'll do a wash another day. Can't be bothered. Right, now we need to look for the screws. Here's the seat for if you want the Segway. And then there's the other spoiler. Oh, here's the other steering lock. Won't be needing that. Is this it? I think it might be. Yeah, alright, let's have a look. Right, God, I'm gonna have to put you in my legs. Ah! Okay, that's trying a bit much. Right, let's try this. Oh! Oh! You've got to be joking. Here it is. Here it is. Alright, let's put that in. Alright, let's make sure. Oh, look what we've done. Let's make sure it fits and then we can find an Allen key. Yeah, it goes in. Lovely. Oh, you can't see. Oh, that bit's dark. Oh. Hang on. Yeah, look, you can see. Probably not with my hand. Yeah, okay. Now I just need to find that island key that tightens it. There it was. Those bars. Yeah, we're not actually taking the spoiler off. I forgot. I thought we were, but we didn't have to. That's the steering lock. Oh, I'm not even showing you. I think I've got that speaker, right? What's this? Oh no, it's just... Oh, you know what it will be? It will be in those boxes. Because I put everything in there that like we're actually gonna lose. So all that stuff we don't need to put on because we've already got some. Because obviously everything's doubled that we've got. Is it this one? I think it's this one. Let's have a look. Need to do an MOT. Also, yeah, my rear plate is... Oh, I'm gonna have to do it like this. Right, hang on. Well, okay, yeah, just look like that then. Now we could just zoom in, the editor can zoom in. If we put it on ×2, yeah. Alright, that'll do. Oh, wrong gear. That will do. What is this for? I actually still don't know what this is for. What is this for? Let me. If we have a look at this, yeah. Oh, what does this do? Hold on. Alright. Like, how would that connect? Oh, so it goes on like that. Because look. See them going like that. But what is this? I'm trying to think what that would go onto. What is this necessary for? Yeah, so I have 4 of them. And here's the original cover that went where the speedometer is. The wind is picking up, but it's still so warm. And then we have this. What is this? But we also have these. If any of you know in the comments, please tell me. Because if I have to put these on, then I will. Yeah, but we have these. Oh, which they must go on here to secure them. Don't know. Alright, back again. It's a new day. Just about to go for another ride. But there's something else that I wanted to add. Which I'm so annoyed that it doesn't work properly. Only one of them work, but it's still got what it says. So it can still be used. You just can't scan it. Oh, hang on. It's in my pocket. It's like these little business cards. If it's reversed and flip it around, it says Snapchat, TikTok, and YouTube. QRs that take you straight to it. It also says it. You're gonna have to use what it says it. So I'm gonna put that. I think I have 3 of them. I think I have one on each side, but probably won't work. That obviously you have one that takes you to the YouTube at the front already. So I was thinking of putting this at the back. But while it's here, you can't really see it, can you? No, we'll still put it on. Well, we also... Wait, did we bring... Yes, we did. Alright, so you're going to watch me put them on. That's literally the last part of this video. Hang on. Just put them on a stand. Okay. Put the blue tack on. Now we're not going to go for a ride. So I have the same card that will stay in my glove box. So I can just hand it to people. Just do a quick clean that. And then if you're passing and someone's filming, you can just check it out in the rear. Because people have been filming recently. I was just too late to give them a thumbs up. How's that then? Yeah. So I wish this was a light, but it's just a reflector. Alright, cool. Alright, let's go for a ride. See you guys in the next video. I've probably already done an outro. If I haven't, editor will do that. Yeah, I removed the splitter because when I was driving it bent underneath too much, so I just removed it. I don't know why. The end of the video. See you guys next time. I actually do not have any idea what I'm going to post next Sunday. But yes, my dad's birthday on the 7th of May. Wish him a happy birthday. Sister's birthday was on the 20th of March. Is that, yeah, okay, yeah, I know that was ages ago. It doesn't feel like it though. My birthday was 20th of April. Yeah. But see you guys next time. My plate is dirty. This whole thing needs a wash. And the rear plate is actually the old version of the plate. So if I was to put a rear plate on, I'd need to design it and make it a new one like this. But yeah, see you guys next time. Peace.